Here we go, folks. Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Anderson, California. I'm out here with my buddy Stuart, and we're looking at his 81 Fiat 124 Spider. This thing is pretty sweet. A nice driver condition. Looks like it's a 2000 fuel injection. Body straight. Could use a little paint work, but it's really kind of an original survivor type car. It's got a couple things that I noticed. See that somebody was messing around with the paint, and so new paint job would really make it pop. Runs good. Told me he bought it down in the Bay Area, and folks had it for a really long time, maybe going back to their college days. Took the top down. The glass looks good. Looks like it's got an aftermarket radio in there. The seats are in decent shape. I see something on the driver's side, but the passenger side looks solid. Got a little issue here on the console. That's probably the biggest issue. But there you go. Pininfarina Spider 2000. Back seat looks good. Top's in decent shape. I took some stills. The back plastic window or plexiglass had some staining, but he said he's seen it before and was able to clean it off. The miles say 64,938. I believe that's original. Door panel's not too bad. This driver's seat had a little bit of issue right there. I saw a little issue right there. And then the console, I pointed out to you. It's got power windows. It's got some nice rims. And as you can hear, it's running good. I see a little alley right there. Took some stills of the trunk. You can see my vehicles on Hemmings, ClassicCars.com, Auto Trader Classics. My own website, flatmotors.com, classic.com. We buy, sell, trade, and consign classic cars. I'm out here today with Stuart, looking at his 81 Fiat. Let's take a peek under the hood. It's pretty authentic. Stuart says it's mostly original. I am not a Fiat expert. But if you want to chime in and kick some knowledge to me, feel free to. Check us out on social. We're on YouTube and Facebook and Instagram. Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Anderson, California. My number 707-599-9448. plattmotors@gmail.com is my email. Feel free to call or text me anytime. I see a couple dimples right here. It's like 3 of them all together. Like something happened in the garage. The garage was a tight spot in there. He said the tires are relatively new. Put a little bit of wider ones on there, but they're not rubbing or anything like that. So there you go. You like these early 80s Fiats like Stuart does, feel free to give me a call anytime. I always appreciate you looking at my videos. I love seeing the comments, getting your calls. I'm going to take a few undercarriage pictures, then I'm going to get out of here. But thanks for riding along. Have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. See ya.